Where we going?
Car show.
Who do we got with us?
The little baby.
Man, it's hard. Oh, let's swap right there. Come here over here. Uh-oh, this is nice. What up, bro?
What's going on, guys?
How you doing, man? How you doing, man? Good, good.
I see the car sitting out there.
Oh, yeah. What's up, Ryan?
How you doing, man?
How you doing, family?
Yeah.
Good to see you, bro.
See you too, man.
Josh?
I see you got a few hot rods over there.
Yeah, I'm trying to keep up with you guys.
Hey, you got your new dog? What kind of dog?
Yeah, French Bulldog. We bred that one, yep.
Did you?
Yep. We just had it like 9 weeks ago.
Dang.
Yep.